Hello friends, I'm Guna Madhivanan, Current Affairs Faculty at Offices IAS Academy. In this video, we will be discussing our 82nd Current Affairs hit list topic, that is regarding cyanobacteria. Right? Cyanobacteria, it is also known as blue-green algae. It is also known as blue-green algae. These blue-green algae, it is found in resource-rich water bodies, nutrient-rich water bodies. These blue-green algae, they produce toxins, poisons which are harmful for humans, animals as well as for birds. So when we drink the water, see, when we drink some contaminated water, there is a chance of presence of blue-green algae. They will be producing some toxins. When we drink that water, we will be affected. It can create diarrhea. It can create other health-related complications. Now, when animals, birds, when they drink water where there is presence of blue-green algae, then animals, birds, they will be affected. So recently what happened in Botswana, African country, a landlocked country, from map point just see the country surrounding Botswana. In Botswana, mysteriously 300 elephants, they died. On investigation, in the first round of investigation, it is observed that it is maybe because of this algal bloom in the water bodies in Botswana. The cyanobacteria, blue-green algae bloom. Bloom means like presence of more, all of a sudden you will find more algae in the water. Right, rapidly those algae are getting multiplied. So because of some algal bloom, because of presence of cyanobacteria in water bodies in Botswana, when these elephants, when they consumed this water and they have taken the toxins, and that resulted in mysterious death of 300 elephants. Very significant. Elephants are very important species. Death of 300 elephants is a serious issue, right? So now investigation is going on why there was an increase in the cyanobacteria, why there was an increase in algal bloom, that we have to know. So investigation says it's because of climate change. So how climate change is inducing the algal bloom, that we have to know. Maybe in exam that can be a question in prelims as well as mains, right? So I have given some points here. So this climate change that results in warming water temperature, it is said that when there is a warmer temperature, there is rapid multiplication of algae and that leads to algal bloom. That too, when the temperature of the water is higher, the algae from the bottom, they can easily move to the top layer, it seems. They can easily move to the top layer of the water surface and they form a kind of mat, a thick green mat like algae are formed over the surface of the water. So this is preventing the entry of sunlight beneath this surface. Sunlight, primary source of energy. The aquatic plants, the fishes, they depend on the sunlight. When these algae form a mat and when they are not allowing the sunlight to penetrate downwards, then the aquatic ecosystem will be affected. Not just that, this mat is going to absorb more amount of sunlight and this results in more increase in temperature, that results in further multiplication of algae and that results in algal bloom. Then climate change is affecting salinity. When there is an increase in temperature, the fresh waters will be evaporated. That results in increase in salinity concentration in the waters. When there is increase in salinity, some marine algae, saline algae are multiplying, are produced. Certain algae are found in saline condition. So in USA what happened, certain parts of USA, because of increase in temperature, the fresh water bodies was getting evaporated. There was an increased concentration of minerals, the salinity got increased and that resulted in formation of marine algae and that marine algae was creating toxins and it was contaminating the water bodies. Changes in carbon dioxide, friends, because of increase in carbon emission, carbon dioxide level is getting increased. That increase in carbon dioxide level, that results in increased carbon dioxide, more CO2 gets dissolved in the water when more CO2 is dissolved in the water, see these algae, they also perform photosynthesis. They will be consuming more carbon dioxide and they will thrive, they will multiply fastly. This also leads to algal bloom, right? Any other reason? Rainfall, changes in rainfall pattern. See, in India also we are witnessing, all of a sudden there is an intense rainfall, then you will find a drought like situation. So, whenever there is an intense rainfall, a lot of sediments, minerals is being carried by this rainwater, and that minerals, sediments, it is getting drained in the water bodies, and the water bodies all of a sudden it gets lot of nutrients. I said the cyanobacteria, they will thrive in resource rich, nutrient rich water bodies, right. So, connected because of this intense storms, rainfall, we are finding lot of sediments getting drained away through this rainwater, get settled in the water bodies, and that results in thriving of these kind of blue-green algae. Then coastal upwelling, that is also a reason, friends. Now huge wind, that wind is going to take the surface water aside. So, the water from the bottom that tries to come up, when it comes from the bottom, the minerals from the bottom that is taken up, and that results to formation of algae in the top layers. These are some reasons why there is an increase in algae, right, in the water bodies. In the Botswana case, we have to wait and watch what was the actual reason for the mysterious death of 300 elephants, right. Right friends, so based on our discussion, I have constructed a MCQ, find out the right answer and given the comment section. I hope you like the video, I hope you like the video series. So here I have given the features of my exclusive current affairs program. If you are interested, go through. I will be covering 1 year's current affairs. There will be live current affairs classes, recorded videos will also be given to you. You can watch those videos according to your convenience n number of times. Exclusive economic survey classes, there will be 1300 MCQs will be provided. A question bank, current affairs question bank containing 1300 quality MCQs will be given. If you want to have further information on this course, you can call on to the number given here. So, I will see you tomorrow with another similar exciting topic. Till then, bye, take care.